Hello crafty friends, welcome back. In today's video I want to share my oxide storage system with you. How do you store your distress oxide? Do you clean your brushes? And do you have a brush or a dauber for every color? So if you don't know how to organize your oxides, then this video is for you. The thing that gave me this idea was this oxide color palette. This sparked an idea and it has really worked well for me, especially if you're just starting out and not sure what colors to buy. Firstly, I started a number system, just starting from 1 all the way through to 72. The last 4 on this list are not distress oxides. I've also added a little dot above the name so I know which colors I have. All the items used today will be listed in the description below. The next step I did was to purchase a blending brush for every color and number each brush according to the sheet. These brushes and holders are very inexpensive, and this way there is no cross-contamination of my inks. The blending brushes, holder and stickers were all purchased from Temu. I'm not sure why there is a bigger gap between the first 2 brushes, but it does not really bother me and it works really well. So as you can see, each brush has a number that matches up with the sheet. And I know the colors look different, but trust me, the system really works well and also gives you an indication of what colors are close in shade, especially when you're trying to make a purchase of what color to buy next. The next step I did was to name all my oxides and add the number to the bottom that matches the brush. I used a Brother label printer to create these labels. By naming my inks from the front, it's easy to find the right one when they're stored in the shelf I use, which looks like this. I absolutely love this shelf. It can take 36 inks, it does not take up much desk space, and it fits perfectly into the slots. This is my current collection. As you can see, there are a few spaces open, so I look forward to filling those. Furthermore, I have also purchased a dauber for each color I have and used the same numbering system. I only have about 4 of these dauber brush handles, but I've never needed more than that at a time. Again, this system is so easy to use. Each dauber is in their own little container. When taking it out, you just flip it over, stick the handle on, and you are good to go. One other huge benefit there is using this system is that you don't have to clean your brushes. The last thing I would like to show you is my color palette file. Once again, I continued using the same numbering system. I've added the name of each oxide to the little pockets, and the colors I still need to get I've left blank, so I have space for them at a later stage. This file is super helpful when trying to match up colors with pattern paper. I've used 3 different 6x6 papers as an example. It's really so easy to find the right color to match your project. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments below how you store your oxides and if you do have a system in place. I use the square stitch nesting die to cut out the little squares for each pocket. I hope this video helped someone out there. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.